Trick-or-treating is right around the corner. It is very important to be more crafty on selling your products. Learn how to sublimate on textured textile bags for Halloween trick-or-treating. But before you watch this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep you updated with our latest technologies. Edit your design using your preferred editing software. Upload your design on InEdit ripping software. InEdit software shapes digital solutions to improve the color management in the digital printing workflows. Easy color management. Print what you see. What you see is what you get. Print always the same color. Send your design to Mutoh ExpertJet 1642 WR Dye Sublimation Printer. Water-based inkjet printing up to 64 inches wide. Environmentally friendly, printing with high level of operator safety. Ready for volume printing. In this video, we are able to print 5 pairs of bags in just 2 minutes. Front and back design. Press your design using Ely 600 swing-away heat press or larger models. This press offers design, agility, and practicality. Indicated for jobs demanding high productivity. Customize or personalize your bags by sublimating your favorite designs or images without worrying its print results. With Mutoh Dye Sublimation Printer, you can gain both speed and quality. Perfect in-house printing business. Ideal for graphics, design, garment decoration, and merchandising materials. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraff.com.